In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Exness. We'll walk through the web terminal from choosing a market to placing a trade with clear risk controls, keeping everything simple and practical so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the Exness web trading platform in your browser and let the interface load. You'll see your watch list and chart area. If the market you want isn't visible yet, look for the small plus icon. This opens the symbol list so you can add instruments to your watch list or bring up their trading panel. Use the search bar to quickly find what you want to trade. Type the name or ticker, then select it to load its chart and ticket. When the order ticket appears, you'll notice there are three entry modes. The regular form is the standard ticket with full controls and confirmations. One-click form submits orders instantly with a single tap. Faster, but only for experienced users. The risk calculator form helps you size positions based on a chosen risk amount. For this walkthrough, select the regular form so you have full visibility over each setting. On the regular ticket, you'll see the live sell and buy prices for your chosen instrument. Sell is the price you receive if you're going short. Buy is the price you pay if you're going long. The small difference between them is the spread, which is part of your trading costs. Next, look at the order type toggle. By default, it's set to market, which means your order will execute right away at the current price. Click Pending to see how you can schedule an order to trigger later at a specified price, then switch back to market so we place an immediate order in this example. Now choose your volume. This is your position size. Larger volumes amplify both potential gains and losses, so start small while you're learning and make sure it fits your account balance and strategy. Before placing the trade, set your take profit and stop loss. Stop loss protects your capital by automatically closing the position if price moves against you. Take profit locks and gains when price reaches your target. Place them at levels that make sense with your analysis and consider a favorable risk to reward ratio. Once everything looks right, market selected, volume set, and protective levels in place, click Confirm. Buy to open a long position. You should see the confirmation and your trade appear in the positions panel. That's it. You've selected an instrument, chosen the regular form, reviewed the sell and buy prices, confirmed market execution, set your volume, added take profit and stop loss, and placed your trade. As you get comfortable, explore one click for speed and the risk calculator to fine-tune sizing. Always practice on a demo first and trade responsibly.